I'm going to show you how to deactivate or temporarily disable your Instagram account. So go to Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and then go hit those three lines at the top right corner. From here, once this loads up, you want to go to your accounts center. And as you see, this is not loading up. Here we go. Go to your accounts center, and then go ahead and go to manage accounts at the very bottom. And then go ahead and choose the Instagram account that you want to manage. Go ahead and click manage. And then what you want to do is choose deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and choose that. And as it says, deactivating your account is temporary, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through your account center or by logging into your Instagram account. So this is temporary. You would go ahead and hit continue and follow the prompts. It is going to give you what you're going to be losing access to the following info, so keep that in mind. But you would go ahead and follow the prompts and temporarily deactivate your account, and the only thing you need to do to reactivate it is log back in and operate it like normal. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy.